Okay, yeah, so thank you. This actually caught my attention, and I feel it's one of the things that my viewers would love to know about. So, do you mind telling me about Hohem and what the product you have?
Okay, so we are Hohem, a three-axis gimbal stabilizer production manufacturer, and we developed some new gimbals like the Hohem V3 Ultra because this is the perfect AI creation gimbal for everybody that actually want to be a one-man band. So the first thing to note, this gimbal is powered by an AI chip with an AI camera.
Okay.
And with this camera, you can frame yourself and be tracked automatically without the need to actually use any smartphone app. So you use just the actual native app to track yourself and film because the tracking is doing this AI chip with the camera inside.
Really?
So you don't need to do without any dedicated app. We have the dedicated app called Hohem, but you don't need to use it. You can use like DaVinci Resolve or Blackmagic design camera app and be tracked and get all the settings and all the features right. Another thing, we implemented this Bluetooth remote controller.
Detachable.
Yeah, actually this Bluetooth remote controller makes you sure that you frame yourself better and also you can see yourself inside while being tracked.
Wow.
And another feature is we have the actual controller, so you can control the actual gimbal with the joystick. Start, stop recording, and frame.
Okay, so you can literally mount this somewhere
Yep.
and use the remote to control yourself
It's
to
about
position.
an 35-meter coverage, so you can wander around with the actual remote controller and check yourself out. The other great thing, we have implemented this removable actually legs
stand.
that goes inside of the gimbal. Another great feature of the V3 Ultra, we
It's
have an
extendable as well.
built-in like longer arms, so you get a better stretch if you're taking selfies, panoramas, and things like that. Well, this is a pretty compact gimbal because when you fold it down, you can put it in your pocket without any problems. Also, we have other bigger gimbals, just like the Hohem NT3 Pro, that's actually being released soon, and it will be able to hold up to 2.5 kilos.
Wow.
So you will be able, just like your Sony Alpha camera, use it with a bigger lens without any problem. Actually, we have it on the stand there with a cine lens and follow focus system. You will be using that without any problem, incorporating the same actual design. The removable screen, AI vision sensor, and a lot of professional features that will be implemented in this gimbal, just like the port where you can connect on the one quarter port additional stuff like monitors, screens, microphones, or anything that connects on one quarter port. This is a much bigger stand where you can put the gimbal and it will be standing like more firmly.
Oh, this
because
is
you
pretty
have
nice.
a lot of weight on top.
So, what's the maximum capacity this
The
can carry?
maximum capacity of this gimbal is 2.5 kilos.
2.5 kilos.
So it's pretty much on the heavier side for heavier cameras. So we are also introducing a handle, so you will be able to have a handle to actually
Okay,
carry
so you have an handheld.
easier handling with two hands. And that's actually basically the new product that will be released soon.
Oh, this is brilliant. So, in terms of pricing, how much does this go for?
So we will be trying to be under the 499 USD or around 450 euros. So it will be actually without the combo edition 399 euros. So
Okay, this is brilliant.
Yeah.
I've had a couple of gimbals in the past.
Yeah.
I currently have one at home. I don't want to mention the name.
okay.
But what makes this one different from every other gimbal outside?
So nobody does this type of things. Remote
Okay, the detachable
viewing,
remote.
AI remote viewing with the option to control and frame it without the need for any other assistance, and you can also control it like hand gestures and no need to get any app on top of that because the AI feature tracks you without the app control.
Yeah, brilliant. I'd like to get this,
Yeah.
to be honest. I'd like to get one of this. I have a gimbal at home, but I really don't like how it works. I have to stabilize it every time, which is so annoying. And this is one of the things that I would love to look out for. Is this available for sale now?
It
Like
will
in
be
the
available soon. in a couple of months. So now it's just a prototype, but this will be available soon in about 1 or 2 months.
Okay, so can I get it in the UK because that's where I live?
It will be available in all the world, also in the UK.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's it. We are doing now a workshop, so you are welcome to join and well check out all the new features from the Master M7 gimbal and all the other gimbals that we have in our production.
Brilliant. This is so amazing. Thank you so much.
You're
I
welcome.
appreciate it. Thank you so much.